Hello and welcome to Theme Park Worldwide, where I'm here at Drayton Manor theme park on board Air Race. Now, this is a Zamperla Air Race, and this is a pretty intense ride when it gets going. Of course, we start off in an aeroplane just here, flat on the ground, start to spin round, and then of course we then start to tilt upside down, as you're going to see. So on this you get some fantastic views across the area. The area of the park that we're in is Adventure Cove, new for 2021. And here we go. You might get a little bit dizzy, but luckily I'm quite good with these spinning rides. Been on lots of them over the years. Really starts to pick up the pace now as well. Here we go. Fantastic. First time I went on a Zamperla Air Race, I looked at it, I thought, oh, it looks quite slow off ride, but when you get on these, they really pack quite a punch. They get going quite a bit. And of course, you've got a fantastic variety of flat rides down here at the park. Lots of other videos like this showing you on the rides, of course, what they're like down here if you're visiting Drayton Manor. Maelstrom, another one of my favourites, also here in the Adventure Cove area. Oh, you get a bit of hang time there. So at this point it starts to slow down a little bit, you get some hang time. Like you can tell just there, literally hanging upside down. Oh, brilliant. I do find these to be pretty comfortable as well. I mean, you look at the restraints at first and think, oh, they're quite bulky, but actually I do find these pretty comfortable, which is always good fun. Oh, nice bit of hang time there. So it starts off at first, you get some pretty fast spins, then towards the end of the cycle, like now, of course you're really going a lot slower, so you get your hang time, which is brilliant. And there we go, that's Air Race here at Drayton Manor. Fantastic thrill ride here within Adventure Cove. Yeah, brilliant. Always get a nice long cycle on that one as well, nearly 2 minutes, fantastic. But yeah, really good. I need to count at some point how many times you actually go upside down, but yeah, that was brilliant. Air Race here at Drayton Manor. Thanks for watching Theme Park Worldwide, and get out there and keep on riding. See you soon.